Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on number 4, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column D, 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come, these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2nd row, and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come, these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 1. Third also we have 1. So 1 can't come, these cells, the 1 is confirmed here. Second row, third row we have 1. Column B also we have 1. So 1 can't come, these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C we have 1. So 1 can't come, these cells. 7th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 6th row we have 6. So 6 can't come, these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come, these cells. Sorry. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 1. Column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come, these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column J we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 4. 7th row we have 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 2nd row we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. Column C we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row we have 9, 8, 4, 3. That 4 numbers can't come, there are 3 cells. It will come in another 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 7. Column E, column G we have 2. So 2 can't come, these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. Column G we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 6. 2nd row also we have 6. So 6 can't come, these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row and 2nd row we have 7. So 7 can't come, these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I we have 9. So 9 can't come, these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 7. 8th row we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. Column J we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 4. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 6. Column E also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Fourth grade and second grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.